friends, this is my everyday makeup tutorial. I'll be showing you the products that I use on my face daily in my daily makeup routine. For my foundation, I am using the NARS Liquid Longwear Foundation in the shade Cadiz. This foundation I love so much. It's my favorite and it offers medium to full coverage, and I really don't need a lot of it, but I'm putting that all over my face. Next, I'm just going to slick my eyebrows down real quick with my e.l.f. wax pencil. Now time for the fun part. I am using my Born This Way sculpting concealer to go ahead and start my contouring. I will leave the shade description below in the link. I have the shade Sand, and I also have the color in Mocha as well. I am putting the Born This Way concealer under my eyes and the other places I want to highlight on my face. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend everything in. Adding a little more of a darker shade for deeper definition for the contour. To fill in my brows, I'm using NYX Eyebrow Gel in the shade Black. For my eyeshadow, I always use a neutral tone color, or a color that is pretty close to my skin tone. Putting on lashes will always be hard for me. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is my everyday makeup routine. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, go ahead and like this video, comment if you like, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.